So after you reach to the fire station, where the fire is, to put off the fire, you're gonna keep pumping. Pump, 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 gentlemen. Maya, come, keep pumping. So you wanna put off the fire. There's a fire right there in that window.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Put off the fire. Good job, guys.
A little shortcut, guys. That's it, guys.
All right, we're gonna get back on.
Once again. Move the joystick to the other side.
Get back on the track again. Come on.
Let's start the pedal. And bump again. Try to back first. You got this.
All
You got
right.
this. You got this. That's it.
Yes.
See? I can make
Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're doing it. There you go. There you go. I'm driving. Help her, buddy. Help her. That's it. There you go. There you go. Help her. Help her. Ouch. This is swimming.
This is not that easy.
That easy. That's
No.
There you go. You're almost done.
Ah.
You got this. You got this. You got this.
All right, guys.
Go all the way to the top. All the way to the top. Help her. Help her. That's it. Help her. All the way to the top.
Oh, finally,
There you go.
we arrived.
Yeah, there's a lot.
It was a long day to put out the fire, and we rescued the Lego guy over there. Oh, thank God. Mission accomplished.
Let's go, guys.
Thank you for watching.
We hope you enjoyed our video. We're gonna do one more ride. This is called the driver's license. Yeah!
Let's go to the driver's license.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.